Hey, Titus. Come here, pal. Hey, look at you. Look up here what you got. Is that a chicken? Not anymore, it's not chicken. Uh-oh, somebody's camera shy. Somebody threw a chicken at me. Hey, Titus, how are you doing? You're a little sore today, aren't you? Yeah. We gave you the chop job. Do something fun for us. Oh, you're so cute. Yeah, you're a cutie. You sure are. Okay, see you later. Hey, Titus. Oh, look at you. Look at that head cock. Whoa, you jumped up. You're not supposed to jump up. Be a good boy. Titus, sit. Good, sit. Down. Good, down. Now, stay. Stay. Oh, look at that. I'm backing away. This isn't the zoom function. I'm backing away. And now I'm going to sit down on the bed. There we go. Boo. See, he doesn't spook. Oh, now he's spooked. Come here, sit. Down. There you go. Stay. Boo. Okay, good boy.